this time last year, significant flooding pounded the river valley. Fox 24's Andrew Epperson shares tonight's story in a series we're doing looking back at that time. He tells us about what cities and counties have done since last summer in case Mother Nature strikes again.
Looking at the historical flood, we know where we've been and how we can overcome it, and so we hope not to do it again, but we feel that we're prepared and we're ready for the next one.
Sebastian County Emergency Manager Travis Cooper will never forget the flood waters that swept through last summer.
Just knowing of how people were hurting, how people were without their home or without a place of comfort.
The days were long for those tasked with saving lives.
We started around 5, 6 a.m. and we went all the way into the late evening hours. So it was nothing to get 16 hours of work time in.
Looking back a year later, Cooper says he and his crew are more prepared if it happens again.
We've actually incorporated some training to initiate how we can actually rescue someone appropriately. We've had several meetings and planning opportunities to where we can actually make sure that that networking is there, that we know the capabilities of one agency to the next.
When I take a step back and do an assessment of how well we managed that 2019 flood, we did pretty good.
Fort Smith Mayor George McGill says there's always room for improvement, but he's proud of how agencies at every level responded. And he's thankful for aid given by private sources and FEMA.
We had pump stations damaged and other infrastructure that was damaged by the flood. And so those FEMA dollars will go to replace those items and help with mitigation.
Cooper notes without that aid, this look back might include fewer sighs of relief.
You're looking into hundreds of thousands of dollars of spending on food, of spending on resources, of staff, of just getting personnel and your vehicles if you have some.
And he's happy to say most Sebastian County homeowners are no longer knee-deep in high water.
We still have multiple families that are still in need of things, but most of the families have recovered and are back in homes or found other homes to get back in the forward motion.
In Sebastian County, Andrew Epperson, Fox 24 News.